Hello viewers, welcome to Zimal Education System. In this video we will discuss about noun and its types. Noun is a part of speech that comprise words that are used to name people, places, animals, objects and ideas. Almost every sentence will definitely have a noun, and they perform different roles in a sentence. Nouns can act as the subject, an indirect object, a direct object, a subject complement and an object complement. Nouns can also function as adjectives and verbs. Examples of nouns: people, boy, girl, man, woman, alley, mewish. Places: Pakistan, Karachi, Mexico, North Pole, South Africa, the Nile River, classroom, bedroom, basketball court, cricket ground, swimming pool. Animals: birds, aquatic animals, reptiles, lion, zebra, snake, ostrich, flamingo, bear, cat, fish, shark. Ideas: evolution, invention, extinction, argument, destruction. Objects: things, bat, cycle, curtains, paper, bag, blackboard, cupboard. Types of noun: proper nouns, common nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns. Number 1. Proper nouns. Nouns that are used to name a person, place or thing specifically are called a proper noun. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. For example, Pakistan, Islamabad. Ahmad, English. Number 2. Common nouns. Common nouns are those nouns that refer to a generic item, group or place. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. For example, country, pen, city, boy, book. Number 3. Singular nouns. These are words that are used to name a single person, place, animal, bird or object. For example, boy, car, chair, man. Number 4. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to a number of people, places, animals or things. Nouns are made plural by adding an s, or s or ies, or vase, to the existing root word. Nouns that end with an s remain the same. Some nouns remain the same in both their singular and plural forms, and some others have totally different spelling. For example, boxes, mangoes, boys, girls, men. Number 5. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted. For example, an apple, tables, soldiers, an aeroplane, cars. Number 6. Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are those nouns that cannot be counted. This category of nouns includes both concrete and abstract nouns. For example, sugar, water, milk, honey. Number 7. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a naming word that is used to denote a group of objects, animals or people. For example, army, cricket team, band, herd of elephants. Number 8. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun refers to objects that are material and can be perceived by the human senses. It can be seen and touched. For example, book, table, mountain, car. Number 9. Abstract nouns. Any entity that cannot be perceived by the 5 senses of the human body are called an abstract noun. For example, love, success, pain, bravery. For new educational videos, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon. Also like the video.